Here in the Czech Republic, just like I think anywhere else in the world, we have a few special foods that we do for Christmas. You're seeing one of them right now. This braid is something that we serve for breakfast on December 24th. It is from a yeasty dough, and it's probably my favorite thing out of all the Christmas food that you will see in this video. I won't be walking you through the recipes and the cooking process for any of these. It's more just me describing what are some of the traditional foods that we eat in our country for Christmas. For lunch on the 24th, it is a very simple meal. It's a combination of grouts, at least that's the translation I found for this, mixed with mushrooms and then also some onion and garlic. You bake it in the oven for a little bit and your lunch is ready. Now the main prep definitely goes into the dinner on the 24th. That is our main event of the day. It's also when we unwrap the presents here in the Czech Republic. That is after the dinner. So the 24th, the evening, is really the special occasion. And for that, I believe my family is very much sticking to the very traditional and the most common meal, which is a potato salad and a fried carp. So here you see my brother who's getting the fish ready. So he's just taking out the spine and then cutting it into portions. But what I really want to talk about is the potato salad, because that is, like, out of all of these foods, that's the number one thing that I think most families in the Czech Republic have on their table on the 24th. All of the other foods, some are not as popular as others. People might have different kinds of fish for their Christmas Eve dinner, or they skip fish altogether and they will do like a pork or even chicken, something like that. But that potato salad is really the star of this meal. And so it's relatively simple, although the prep does take quite a while, because you cook the potatoes in their skins and then you peel the skins off. You cut the potatoes, which you will see I'm using this special kind of a tool for cutting them into squares. And then you cut all the different vegetables into it and you add mayo. But just like any other food that's typical, I would say that it's not exactly the same in every kind of family. And the potato salad is something that families will fight over. Some will do it slightly differently. Some will do it like I do. And I'm so excited to see in the comments, if you are from the Czech Republic, how does your salad deviate from the one you see us making here? So in our salad, and in any other salad, obviously you have the potatoes, that's the basis. But then what we do in ours for the vegetables, we do carrots, we do parsley, celery, we do pickles, and we also do some kind of a meat, like a sausagey kind of meat. And then for the mayo part, we do a combination of regular mayo, then like a lighter version, you know, less fatty version of mayo, and also a little bit of the liquid from the pickles, and of course some salt. And you simply just mix all of this up. The important piece is that I have to do this the day before. So I'm always doing the salad on the 23rd, if it's the 24th that we're eating all of this, so that it has some time, like around 24 hours, to just soak in all of that delicious mayo. And I'm also very curious to hear from everyone else who's not from the Czech Republic. What are some of the typical foods that you can't imagine your Christmas without? Do you cook something special for breakfast like we do? Is lunch special? Is dinner special? Are the days different? Like, is the 25th more, you know, the food and tradition focused than the 24th? Or is it the 24th like we do it here? I'm really curious to read in the comments. And you will see a few final shots of what our table setup looks like. We have these cute little wooden statues for the moon, the sun, the stars, and we also serve soup for this dinner, which I didn't show you before. It is a fish soup, and then the main course, which I already talked plenty about. And that will be all for today's video. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.